Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up your model and opening it in Blender or your chosen editor. Once opened, switch to Edit mode and turn on Face Overlays and Normal Display so you can see orientation. Next, select the whole mesh and remove duplicate vertices, then recalculate normals to point outward. This fixes most white face issues caused by inverted normals. Make sure non-manifold edges are highlighted and addressed before moving on to materials and shading. Once normals are correct, assign a clean white material to the affected faces. Create a single principled BSDF with base color set to pure white and no extra textures. Then inspect UVs, unwrap faces that look stretched, and remove overlapping islands that can bake unpredictable shading. Clear any vertex color layers that influence color, and apply object transforms and relevant modifiers so scale or mirrored geometry isn't skewing normals or shading. These steps stabilize the mesh for accurate white rendering. To finish, set a neutral lighting rig, an H-dry or soft area lights, and preview with a flat diffuse to judge color accurately. Render or bake to confirm the face appears white under your scene conditions. If the face still shows dark or odd shading, inspect and flip any remaining inverted normals, repair non-manifold geometry, and verify the correct material slot is assigned. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily enable double-sided shading and backface, culling off to isolate orientation versus material problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.